Okay, to my knowledge, I should be streaming. Okay, I am. Okay, nice. Hopefully I don't release or show anything I shouldn't, but if we just go to bodybuilding app, and Godot as well. Oh my god, there's so many windows to manage. I can definitely tell that it's delayed. I just can't tell by how much. Calesthics cards. I'm going to try listening to my own, what do you call it? Video off here to the side on my laptop. Currently there's 0 views, which is actually amazing and not something someone wants to hear, but if I had some views, I would actually kind of freak out because there's no way. Okay, let's see. A minute has gone by. Netherlands. I can see the delay. It's kind of crazy. It might, okay, you could supposedly hear me. Oh, whoa. Whoa, it's pretty fast. Oh, whoa. Whoa, it's pretty fast. Okay, this seems to be something. Chat rate. Okay. Oh. Okay. So, I guess I'm streaming. Cool. No one has joined yet, which is amazing because I was still figuring stuff out. Chat is over here on the right. I don't know why it shows up so delayed. But, ooh, I can use the little scenes. Little scenes, where is it at? Refresh? Oh, cool. Okay, so I don't need the YouTube page open from what I understand. If I go to my Mad Labs page there. Okay, whatever. Okay. So, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to, excuse me, I don't know if I'm going to be able to even show. Okay, so we have one other person. Hello, hello. So we're going to be making a bodybuilding type app in Godot. And the idea is that it'll show a card and then you kind of swipe off when you say you've done it. I'm not going to lie, you're my first viewer ever, so that's pretty cool. I'm not 100% sure, like I'm a little confused right now with the fact that I am streaming and I'm trying to code. I've never done this before, so please do forgive me. Oh, seems like people are here. Uh-oh. How do I stop? I don't want to stop. I want to pause. I do need a second. I wish there was an easier way to pause. Okay, thankfully it was not for me. Interesting. Okay, so I do need this open. Let's open the file manager. Okay, workout test works, so JSON works. I just need to grab JSONs from other, so we got lower body JSON here, new lower body.json. I want to be able to edit this too. Notepad works. Notepads. Okay, lower body.json. Okay, so my current goal, I'm not sure how to show a little gold thingy, but I'm gonna write it down here. Oh, I can use a scene switcher thing that I have set up. Oopsie. Okay, there we go. Cool. Okay. Okay, let's just focus on actually making it. Forget the fact I'm streaming. Okay, forget the fact I'm streaming. Okay. Okay, cool. So standard push-up shows up, but to my knowledge, I am start position. Okay, so game scene, card manager spawns in a card. To my knowledge, yep, spawns in a swipeable card, and set use card data, and then I should be saying to exercise grabber dot grab random exercise. Okay, so then I go here. So I need to make a variable called var all exercises Now, I don't know if I should be not upset, never upset. But I don't know if I should be concerned that no one's watching, but whatever. All exercises, so our workouts, return workouts. Okay, get JSON data. Why do you need to return it? Hello? Why do I want to return it? Doesn't make sense. Wait, oh, I just realized. Okay, music should fade into the back a bit. And now my voice should be a bit louder, but why is it returning hello? That doesn't make any sense to me. No, I don't want to return it. Get JSON data. I don't even call it. Hello? Am I tripping? Oh, RV. Oh, okay. Yeah, that. Oh, okay. I call it on itself. No. Card manager. Okay, card manager gets it. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to remember what I did last night. Let's see. Oh, I guess I do need to call it to some extent. Okay, I guess I'll just call it at the start. It doesn't need to return anything, which is good. It doesn't need to return anything. Just set it to... I don't like that. Okay. It does set an error, but you know, that's fine. Okay, all exercises, cool. Oops. Okay. Okay. And now that I have the, what do you call it? Oh. Okay, let's see. Okay, get JSON data. Void. Doesn't return anything. Doesn't have to return anything. Just needs to be called at the start. I'm kind of curious. Hello. Oh. Probably have to return an object in some sense. Return O. O, and then O would be equal to var. O actually doesn't have to be equal to anything, but it just has to return. This function just has to return all exercises. Get rand. Rand f. Rand f times. Floor dot. Okay, bet. Yeah, it was called by no one. Okay, so get JSON. Kinda cool. So cool. Gives me the entire object, which is exactly what I want. And now I don't like how it teleports. I will fix that. Fix teleport. Fix teleport. Cool. Let me see. Fix teleport makes sense. Alright, no. So get random exercise. Okay, grab random exercise. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, grab random exercise. So now, frick. Oh, okay, it returns a dictionary. Cool. I actually don't know what the difference is between a dictionary and an object in Godot off the top of my head. Okay, cool. So if I do this, it should work. Yeah, air squat, forward lunge. Okay, cool. And then you can swipe off. Okay, so ooh, I can use my little hand cam. Come on. My screen. Okay, general card. And then what I want to do is I want to, instead of randomly tell, okay, so if following mouse, lerp goes mouse position. Position lerp to, okay, mouse pause makes sense to me, but it's kind of teleporting, so I'll lower this. Oh, okay, cool. I don't know what a renegade row is actually, so I'm going to remove that from the JSON because I feel like I should also know what that exercise is instead of it being random. Renegade row. Squat air. Air squat makes sense. Oh, squat air. Plank standard. Dumbbell. I don't like dumbbell. Oh my god. Okay, quality just got increased a bunch. Wait, can you still hear me? Okay. You can't. Amazing. V up? What the hell is a V up? Oh, V ups. Okay. Make a sense to me. Okay. Fix teleport. Okay, cool. Next, what do I want to do? I want to of cards. Fix teleport of cards. Cards. Maybe I should make that bigger. Okay. So what else do I want to do? Oh my god, my hands are frozen. Okay. Okay, I remember. Oh yeah, sorry, I got distracted. Oops. I remember what I was going to do. I was going to, instead of fixing teleport of cards, now I'm going to actually make it so the cards get swiped out of the. Wait. Okay, how do I do that? So do want to double check. A bit curious. Okay, it does work. Okay. It says 2 people are watching, but I got like multiple numbers saying 1 or 3, so I'm not sure. But hello. Okay, check if the card is swiped. Okay, so. Okay, so I should be doing. Okay, so var dist from start. Oops, is going to be equal to a float of the distance, so it would be just global. It would be start pause dot length squared. Hello. Oh, wait, that actually makes sense. So global position. Print dist from start. I feel like. Okay, dist from start. Okay. Oh, okay. So if you're following, so I should probably put that there. If it's following, like to the edge of the screen, like there. So at 100,000, okay, at 100,000. So if dist from start is greater than 100,000, so let me make this a const of distance from the center const. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, this is too far from the start. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. And okay, so this is the exercise comp. Then there's the completed comp, and then there's the fail comp. These are different views of when someone fails or gets it or whatnot. Oh, oops. Yes, that makes sense. Okay. Because it needs to be a top. Color rect. I know you have to use them in control notes, but I don't really care. Would it be nice if I did it like this? I guess so. And then completed would be green, so green. And then label there saying finished. Finish set? Yeah, it would be a set. Yeah, because I guess a set of 1 is a rep, and that's the same thing as a set. Okay. Completed comp. So if the dist, no, that's if start position. Oh, I guess I should do diff. Okay, so I'm gonna check if it's left or right. Oh, card deets. So you would be here then. Okay. Okay, other side. Oh, I should have even realized that it wasn't even left. So greater than 0 would be left. That makes sense. And then if it's less than, obviously it's right. So if it's left, I don't actually know how Tinder and dating apps work, but I'm assuming left is, so if I swipe left, that's going towards the left. Going towards the left means I'm good. Okay, so let's just say that's good. I can always change it. But I also do want this. I guess I would need a different constant for saying if it's done. But, okay, you know what, whatever. It's the same thing for now. But if it's greater than, we'll just keep setting the general card. We'll just keep setting completed card dot visible to true. Else it's false. Yeah, else it's false. And then same. Okay, let's try this one first. So, if it, oh, okay. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Except, oh, that's not what I want. If it's on the left, I want it to be, and the second it goes back. Okay, I want it to be black. Okay, so, oh, greater than 0. No, so I want it at a different distance, which will say hello. Hello. I think someone joined, but I'm not sure. Okay. If it's heading towards the left at around 30,000, 50,000. Let's say at around 50,000, the finish set can disappear and not disappear. So this is distance if done, but if distance start is less than, yes, if it's greater than 30,000, 50,000, then it's visible. Else it's not visible. Cool. And then the same thing, but the other way for the other fella. Oh, okay. If this from start.x is, if this from start, no, if difference of card from start. Oh, okay, so I want to print this one instead. Oops. I want to print the X. Oopsie daisy. Oh, okay, X. So yeah, like 200 and like, negative 200. Okay, so if diff of card from center dot X, 200. So if 200 is greater than 200, you're probably on the left. And that means I want to show the completed. If it's not doing that, then I'm not showing the completed. Makes complete sense to me. Okay. I'm going to copy very similar stufs for failed set. Okay. The idea for me making this is I want to go work out after the stream ends, so then I can actually, freaking use it. But that being said, let's see. my god, what is this banger? Better off alone? Why have I heard this before? Whatever. Fail comp. Oh! Oh, it'd have to be less than. Oops. Loki, I should think it's this to show the message. Like this should be like at least 130. Oh, okay. Oh, it should hold there for a sec. Yeah, I should make a little ding when it, you know, actually gets there, but. Ew, I don't like that. Maybe 230. Okay, this is pretty good, but okay, so var is done set false, and var, no, I have to make it emit a signal. So when you let go, oh, okay, no, okay, so var is done set and var failed set. So is done set true, and over here it'd be false. Oh my god, I thought I saw a spider. Okay, makes sense. And var failed set true, over here failed set equals false. Amazing, amazing. Okay, so if you let go, so else if okay, if has not failed set and not done is done set, then you can return, which makes sense to me, and I should see that as, you know, going back. But if it fails set, it stays, and you can kind of come back. Okay, cool. So now I need to make it like actually like slide over to the left. Okay. How do I do that? If you failed set, you're a loser. No, I'm joking. If you failed set, then print failure and hello. If I failed a set during my exercise, then it should emit a signal. Okay, emit signal and set failed set back to false, so I don't just spam my Godot app with failed signals. Okay. Emit signal. Oh no, not that. Okay, failed. Okay, user failed set signal emit, which would be defining a signal up here. Signal failed set and signal user completed set. I guess completed set makes sense to me. Make a sense to me. If done set, then print success, and then user, no, success, no, completed set dot emit makes sense to me, and then fail, and then is done set is false. Okay, so only emits once. Amazing, exactly what I wanted. And now what do I want to say? I want to say something along the lines of Okay, card swipe. I want to say something along the lines of, see, is returning and follow mouse are amazing, but var card being used is true, you know? When it's done or failed, it's not being used anymore. So, if card is being used, then you get the follow mouse and all this fun stuff. What's the banger? What is this? Andromeda? Okay. Interesting. Okay, so if you're, okay, card being used, okay. I guess I have to connect to my own signals here, so. Oh no, oh. Completed set. Did the user win? If did user win, then I'm going to do a tween. Else, the user did not win, and we are going to do something else. So, and I think that's a bit easier to manage. Yeah. It'd be easier if I just physics process continuously set it, but I don't want to do that. I don't like how it's like that, but it's fine. That means just from the start that I would want is not viable. Also, if you're returning, but now that's just placed on that. That means even if I bring it back, oh, what the hell? If card being used, false. Buy card. What the hell? Oops. Completed set, true. And then failed set, true. Okay. Yeah. So what you can do, from my understanding, is you can go like this. Like you can flash it back and forth. Like, oh, I did, I didn't. And then the second you let go, it's back to normal. There, okay. But then that's failed. Okay. Cool, that's exactly what I want. And then if, so no matter what, oh no, it doesn't matter. I guess I have to do var t create tween, and then I have to do t dot interpolate, no, value, property. Tween property, oops. Tween property on self, property global position to vector 2 of, okay, if my x position is there, then 720, let's just do 1000, and then the card global position dot y plus 100 in like 0.25 seconds, and then you're negative 1000 because, oh, if user did win, let's just keep it like that. T dot play. Oh, okay. It is the other way. So set ease out and in. I always forget the set trans cubic. Oh, I don't like that. Ease in, I guess. And then trans exponential. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh. Done. Nope. Oh, failed. Okay. Okay, so it'd have to be 720 plus. Oh no, it wouldn't be 720. It would be 360. Okay, so I don't know. Let's just do it 2000. Because I'm pretty fairly certain that it's super far away. Cool. Boom. Dumble shot. Okay, failed. Doom. Boom. 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 Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay. Cards can now swipe out of the way. Now next, what do I need? Next, I need to make it so that not only do cards swipe out of the way, but I need to make it so that okay, what is this Marshmallow Eye music? I love it. Oh, Skyline. From Andromeda. Oh no, from Covan and Electrolyte. Okay. Ooh, almost lost my train of thought there. Oopsie. Okay. Card manager has to. Oh, okay. Signal card swiped. So T dot callback. I believe in an anonymous function here would help so much. Trunk. How do I do? Oh. I found it. You found it. It's this. Card swipe dot emit based. Okay. So now card manager, you have to connect your card, or card swipe dot connect, show next card. Show next card, and it's literally just spawn another swipeable card, which makes sense to me. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my gosh, that makes perfect sense. Holy shit. Okay, air squat failed. Side planks. Oh my gosh, swipe. Dumbbell bicep curl. Okay, so if I did that, amazing. If I didn't, oop, failed. Side plank. Okay, so swipe, yes, good. Okay, now I want to actually count these and say how many reps you have to do. So how would I do that? Hello, how are you? Okay, so failed set that way. I'm kind of curious if my chat is even working. feel like it is. Oh, okay, my chat is working. No one said anything though. Okay, anyways, renegade row. Okay, interesting. So now that I can figure out that the card has been done, I want to add it to some variable. Plus I want to display how many reps I have to do of this, or seconds. I guess it would have to be seconds too. Okay. Oh, hello. I've never seen. Go. Lagging. Why am I lagging? Okay, no, everything seems to be fine on that front. Okay. Cool. So if I want to do okay, I have to do that. So on the game screen, card manager handles this. Top text, bottom text. This is reps / seconds. Again, I don't really care too much about being amazing right now. I just want to get the product working. Font size actually. Oops. Okay, 32. Okay, I feel like this is, no, that's not visible at all from far away. Okay, think about it. If I'm working out, I want this to be large. Okay, 64 is large. Okay, cool. In fact, I think that actually matches the bottom one. Font size is 64. Hello? Oh, okay, 64. Okay. Okay, makes sense. I guess it should actually say rep or second, depending on what it is. And then this is what did I draw? I have to grab my iPad. Let me grab it. I'll be right back. Can you guys? Oh, okay. I thought my iPad password was about to be exposed to the world. Okay. Oh, time. Okay, I don't know if time. Oh, time to complete it. I guess that really does depend on people's preferences and stuff. Let's do cards completed. Okay, cards completed makes more sense to me. Oh, hello, how are you? Okay, so we're making a little bodybuilding app. The idea is, if you swipe over, you finish the exercise that tells you, and if you swipe over to the right, you fail the exercise. So air squat, I finished. Standard push-up, I failed. Okay, the idea is, I'm debating between putting, so over here on the left, can I? Okay, I cannot. Over here in the top left, I'm debating on putting reps or seconds of the exercise, and then on the right I want to do total cards or total reps, or I guess total cards done makes sense. So total cards, I guess I can put lots of information there. Total cards, center, and then total cards, I don't know, like 1,000. I wish. Center. Okay, so total cards. I don't like how jarring that is. Okay, a V-box container. I want an H-box container. H-box. And then I want to center it. Center, vertical alignment. Oh, okay, centered, cool. Okay, here's the thing though. Card manager has to grab, okay, connect, show card. But I also need that exercise. Okay, grab random exercise. Instead of grabbing it and just pasting it there, var exercise for E, print E, and then pass in E. E dot, let me just double check my JSONs. Where are my JSONs? Notepads. Okay, reps, it gives me a minimum and maximum. So E dot reps dot min. So var rep count is going to be a random integer from min to max rep count. So then I want to set rep count. So rep count, no. Hello. What I want to do now is I want to set that rep count over here to this. So label 2, rep counter, so rep num, and it's just saying reps or seconds. Oh, okay, then this will have to be num of thing. So today we're going to be building this just for the new viewer. We're building a little bodybuilding app so you can like pick your cards and pick your exercises. Sorry, not pick your cards. Well, I guess you'll pick your cards later, but pick your exercises and kind of swipe through them, kind of like a game. Okay, so rep count. So I'd have to make a function set rep count. Reps or seconds. Don't really know. And then I want to just grab this and set it. So text equals string of reps or seconds. Now, what I want to do as well is I want to double check that I didn't put in seconds for, hopefully I didn't put in seconds for air squat. Okay, so air squat, okay, that makes sense. Oh, workout, my total workout test has a plank in here. Planks, oh, okay, reps. Okay, so I guess it should say, is seconds. Is seconds. And then it would be false. But then I would have to update every single one of them. Because it's possible that I have more than 30 reps. Like more than 30 push-ups would be for advanced users or whatnot. Okay, so I guess that's fine. If is seconds. Oh, I'd have to do this every single one. Okay. Oh, I guess I could also just check. Can I double check? Dictionary. Where's dictionary? Object. No, dictionary. Check. Oops, that was loud. Sorry about that. Can I double check a value? Dot has. It has to be a dot has. Dot has key variant. Okay. Dot has. Okay. If it has if it has seconds. So let me just get rid of every change. Oops. Okay, if it has seconds, then we're going to actually make it display seconds. So seconds, okay, cool. So if, I guess I'd have to make a bool here, is seconds, bool, and then is seconds, so rep count, and then set rep count. Okay, so rep count would be rep count, and then is seconds, so this would be B. I'll just name it B for simplicity's sake right now. And it would be rep count. No, it would be E dot has. If it has is seconds. Print B, and then also pass in B, which makes sense to me. Oh, standard plank. Oh, damn it, what did it say? True, okay. Oh, okay, so if it's, wow, what I wanted to test came first. That's crazy. Is seconds. Then what I would want to do is I'd want to say this. Dot text equals secs, as in seconds. And then this would be reps. Cool. And then this makes sense to me. Reps. Seconds, hold it for 31 seconds. That's crazy. Now there would have to be a counter for how many seconds that takes. Total cards would also have to increase. So renegade rows. I don't know what a renegade row is. Renegade row. What is that? Oh, okay. So it's like, okay, you have to lift a dumbbell. That's totally fine and amazing. That's a cool exercise. Kind of like a plank. Okay, I got it again. Dumbbell shoulder press. That's fine. Yeah, okay, this works. This makes perfect sense to me. It's counting, and it's like telling me what to do, which is exactly what I want. So side plank for side plank needs seconds. Side plank. Oops. Is seconds. Nope. Oh, how did I do it last time? I just don't want to break anything. Where is it? Plank is seconds. Plank shoulder tap. Okay, that's seconds too. Dumbbell bicycle. Side plank is seconds. Absolutely is a seconds type of activity. Okay, so now I have to do total cards. Okay, so I want to do more H boxes. H box. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, multiple of them. H box. Okay. So, no, I want it full, and then I want this one to be shrunk into the center. Okay. And then I want this one to be time. So total cards. And then time so far. Right, because you want to know how long you've been exercising for. 0, 0, 0. And then you would want, then you would want to expand. Hello? Oh, okay, that's perfect. Actually what I wanted. Wow. Okay. Oh, okay, you don't want to do that. Oh, I have to do these. These guys have to expand. Vertically? Hello? Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, amazing. That actually looks not that bad. That looks pretty, like this format looks good. Total cards time so far. Time on the set. Set time. Time on set. No, that doesn't make sense. What do y'all think? Time on set or time taken for set? And then time, okay, I guess runtime? No, total time. I don't like time taken so far. No. Total workout time. That makes sense to me. Total cards. Where's total cards? Total cards would be. Total cards would be. Oh, total cards would be how many cards you've done so far. Oopsie. Okay. Oops. No, I want to grab every single one of them, and I want to make the font bigger at the same time. Am I going to regret this? Maybe. 12? Oh, it's 12 small. Maybe 24? Ooh, okay. I don't like how that's bigger and shifted to the side, but we'll work with it. Auto wrap mode, smart. Okay, cool. No, I don't like how big that is, but whatever. Okay. Now what? Now what? That's a really good question. Now what? Oh, okay. So, okay. So on my little sticky note here. Oh my god, I can use my transitions. Okay, so you can go back. I don't know how YouTubers do that, like switch between cams and all that, but you know, I think I've got it working smooth enough. Okay, cool. So next is actually making the stuff work. Yes, they did make MyFitnessPal 2 decades ago, but I want to make a roguelike for working out, and also I want it to be like calisthenics only, if that makes sense. And additionally to that, I haven't seen this anywhere, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I want to make an app that lets you combine exercises like 1 push-up, 1 squat, 1 push-up, 1 squat, 1 push-up, 1 squat, or like 2 push-ups, 2 squats, 2 push-ups, 2 squats. And I want to kind of like make it so it counts and forces you to do them, and like you can unlock cards and stuff like that. The point is to like, it's basically a game. Oh yeah, push-up squat is burpees, but like push-up dip, push up something, or like dip, pull up, what have you, like multiple, like chain them together in a sense. But yeah, I don't think that's MyFitnessPal. Although I do agree MyFitnessPal has been made before and has been there for a while. But this is more like, I also want this one to be open source. Like anyone can go in and tweak whatever they want, add cards. If they want to see an exercise, they can do it themselves. They can add one and whatnot. Stuff like that. And kind of like everything is your own. Plus I just want an app that like tells me, okay, you have 32 seconds, hold a plank, go hold that plank. If I remember correctly, MyFitnessPal only tracks like after you've done it, but I haven't used it in a while. I also think it's just a calorie counter. But that's just details. But if we continue on, okay, get the text to work. So total cards has to increase. Exactly. Always great to keep working. This has no real world purpose. I mean, I would use it. I'm making this because I would use this, if that makes sense. Like, I want to use an app that lets me count my cards or count my push-ups, and like it tells me do 12 push-ups. Okay, I'll do 12 push-ups. Then it's like, oh, do 12 dips. I can decide that myself, but it's just easier if something else does it for me, if that makes sense. Total card counter. Text of cards. Okay, and then set rep count would be, okay, so every time I show next card, I would want to add to total card value. Oops, I would have to make a variable for that. Total cards done, 0. And then show next card would just be total card count. Oh, I already did that. Oops. Dot text equals string of total cards done. I hope that made sense. E2, how I have no clue how to pronounce your name, but I hope that made sense. E2 Howie. Like if like I understand there's MyFitnessPal, but I want to like make an app that lets me actually go and it tells me what to do, and it's like lets me continuously do that. Does that make sense? Okay. And every time it shows next card, you add 1. Or every time it spawns on the card, it has to add at the start, yeah. So it should say 1. Okay, cool. Total cards, yeah, you finish a card, total cards goes up. But now I have to make this a bit bigger. Theme overrides. Fonts, font size, maybe 48. Ooh, that looks horrible. 36. Now I guess I could make this font size is okay. This has to increase because this actually matters if I'm looking at it from afar. Font sizes, 48. Okay, perfect. That makes a lot more sense to me. Okay, so if dumbbell shoulder press 8 reps, boom, 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 like you do your 8 reps, and then finish cards, and then total workout time taken for set. Okay. I know physics process is good enough for this. Okay, so what would I want to do? I would want to do our time taken. All right, total time. Workout would just be a simple counter. And then I'll add that there, plus equal. No, what the hell? Oh, if delta. I haven't done a simple timer in a second. Var timer. Okay, so I believe I just do plus equal delta. It should be fine. And then I want to do total time. Total time. What is this saying? What is the warning here? Oh, okay. I don't really care about that right now. Total time. Time text. Okay. Oops. Paste over text equals total time of workout. Oh, string. Hopefully I get to use this if I finish this up. Ooh, that's horrible. Hopefully I get to finish this up before, like I can finish up pretty quickly and then actually use it, because I'm going to go work out after this. Length, no. Size, no. Left. What do I want to take the left of? No, that wouldn't be smart. I want to go string, and I want to take a certain amount. I always forget how to do this, but I want to get everything dot num. No. What is it when I want to grab a certain section left of a decimal place? Or just limit the, I would have to limit the number. Oh. Dot limit. Oh. Float. I have to limit this number. No? What the hell? I swear to God you could. Am I tripping? I might be tripping. Oh, int. No. Let's just limit size. Dot left, and then you grab the first 5 digits, I guess. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Oh, okay, perfect. And I believe you can pad zeros to 5 digits. So no, that's horrible. Pad decimal 2. Amazing. Oh, okay, perfect. I didn't even. Okay, that's amazing actually. Now, is it going to? Damn it. Maybe I should just add 100 here. Or I guess I added 10, but yeah, okay. So if someone's working out for the last 1,000 seconds, okay, it's not going to show me decimals. But I guess at that point, you just want to see the number. Okay, 1001, 1002. Okay, and then, oh my God, do I just want to do seconds? Well, I guess I could fix that later, but at the moment, I just want to do it. So I just want to make it so that, you have these. Okay, cool. Okay. Change my mind. I'm going to make it so that if this is greater than 999.0, do this. And if it's not, do this. Oops. If it's not, do this. That makes sense to me. Nope, don't want to do it. Oh, if it's less than 999. Alright, if it's less than that, okay, show me the numbers taken up. That's amazing. Perfect. And then time taken for each set has to be reset each time. So what do I want to do? I want to do var time taken for, okay, time taken for set float equals 0.0. Time taken for each set. So if time taken for each set, no, not if time taken for each set. So what I want to do is time for set, and then label 2 would be, what would it be? It would be, oh, time of set, obviously, time of set. And then I guess I'll just keep setting it to 0. So dot text equals hello, new viewer joined. We're making a bodybuilding app. Okay, so time of set. So what would I want to do? Oh, I would want to say var time of set 00, and then that set would be a string of this dot left. I guess I don't need to do dot left. Pad decimals to like 2 decimal places. Time of set. Okay, so time of set has to be reset every, oh my God, this is starting to get a little confusing, but time of set has to be reset every time a new set starts. That makes sense to me. Show next card, set time of set to 0. So now, oops, delta. Okay, time of set. Okay, cool. So side blank, if I held it for 23 seconds, boom, resets. Okay, perfect. Okay, this is actually coming together. Not too shabby, if I do say so myself. Now I kind of do want to have buttons that say, oh, okay, if mouse position is within a certain range too. So now I have the text working. I'm going to add a small side step to my little to-do list here, and I'm going, oh my God, is my hand glitching? Oh my God, my hand is glitching. Oh, that's so weird. Oh, okay, weird. Just notice my hand is glitching. But I think it's sharing it between cam. Wait, oops. Okay, my camera is being weird. Let me get rid of it for a sec and bring it back. Okay. Okay, that looks better. Okay, that looks a lot better. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, camera's back. Okay, so filter, if I want to filter everything, I want to filter everybody. What would I want? Okay, a filter would be like based on the exercise type. So filter, if it's like legs, then it only gives me legs. So I'd have to set the filter. So filter would have to be set. Oh, filter would have to be an array actually, because there's multiple exercises that someone would want to do. So var R of filter. Okay, so filter array. So that would be set by the person. And let me just double check my JSONs of exactly. So muscle groups. Okay, so filter array of muscle groups. Okay, filter array of muscle groups. No, that doesn't make sense. A good variable name. If anyone wants to suggest one, feel free. But what would I want to name this? I would want to name it, I don't know, muscle group filter array. Or R. Nope. Okay, muscle group filter. And what I would want to do is, if it's calves, quads, I don't know. Oh, this is lower body.json, so everything is leg exercises. But if I do workout test JSON, then there's chest, triceps, etc., etc. So I guess I would have to make it so that at the beginning someone would set that filter. But let's say I want to do only chest exercises. How many times do I have chest? I have chest like 2 times. Do I? No. Push-up diamond, push-up standard. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Yes. Okay, so if I do chest in this muscle group filter, I don't like how it strings, but honestly, because it's coming from a JSON, I don't really care. So let's see. Give me 1 second. Okay, cool. Stream is okay. Hopefully everyone can see everything. But if I have a muscle group filter, then grab random exercise, and then func grab filtered exercise. So how would that work? That would still return me a dictionary. Var d for dictionary does not have a set type, but what I'd want to do is for, I guess I'd have to get a subset. If I want to get a subset of my array of all exercises dot has, oops, oh my god, I have to go inside. Okay, so for exercise in all exercises, if exercise dot has, if it has muscle groups, oh my gosh, I would have to access muscle groups. So muscle groups, if muscle groups dot has, what does it have? It has to have the, oh my god, it has to have, oh my gosh, for muscle group in muscle group filter, if that array of exercise has muscle group, just print yes, and print out exercise dot name, please. Oh, okay, it doesn't return anything. Oh, makes sense. Let's do void for now, because I just want to test it. Pass. And then the way I'm going to test it is I'm going to go to card manager, and I'm just going to call it here. So exercise grabber dot call. Okay, so if I do this, oh, no. Why are you continuously printing that? Print. Oh, I have to actually queue free the cards. Else, no. There's no else actually. So at the end, I have to queue free that card too, which I forgot. Where do I do that? Finish.connect card swiped. Dot emit. Oh, okay. So I should actually make this a function then. Connect to get rid of card. So func get rid of card. Oh my god, I forgot what I typed. It was a signal that I had to admit, which is card swipe. Oh, card swipe. Dot emit. Cool. I was about to say hi, but then the song said it. So hi. Card swiped. Mix up tab. Oh, okay. Card swiped. And then what do I want to do? I want to do. Oh my gosh, what do I want to do? I want to do. It was on the tip of my tongue. What did I want to do? I wanted to. Oh yeah, I wanted to just. Oh, queue free it. Queue free. Okay, cool. So, yep, that makes sense. Oh, okay, I got push-up standard there. Push-up standard. Plank standard. Plank doesn't work on chest. Weird. Dumbbell, bicycle curl. Wait, I don't even know if it's printing out what I want, so. Oh, it is. It's printing right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, it prints exactly the ones I want. Okay. Amazing. Okay, so then var subsetted. If it's subsetted, what do I want to do? Okay, and once it's subsetted, so subsetted append hi again. I don't even know if that's what the song is saying, but it's Waterfall by Hyper Potions. So no copyright soundtrack, but it sounds cool. Append, what do I want to append? I want to append exercise, obviously, and then return a subsetted dot, let me get subset dot size times random f, random float, floor the random float. Let me see. Oh yeah, okay, so it's not going to like that. Okay, cool. How do I tell Godot that this is an array of dictionaries? Array of dictionary array? I think I could do this. No. I want to set type of array Godot. Should be a way. Let's put, you just can't specify that the array will only hold spatials. Interesting. That is a very, very interesting thing. I've never heard of that before. But rand, yes, rand I range. Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense too. Usually I do. Oh wait, I guess with yours I don't have to floor it. I actually like that. Oh my gosh, I have never thought of that before. From what? From 0 to the size of the array. Okay, I guess I don't have to floor it. I like that. I'll keep that. Thank you, Matchhawk. Is that? Yeah, Matchhawk. Oh my gosh, yes. Hello. Okay, so subsetted. But if I want to set... Okay, I guess I can't do a dictionary. It does not matter. Oop, oh, sorry, that was really loud. Okay, that doesn't matter to me, but, you know, I have an array. Okay, cool. So... oh, yeah. Oh, I have to do -1. Oops. Okay, there we go. -1. Because the array is really small. Oh, and I should also, there's also array dot, what? There's no way. There's no way. Pick, oh my gosh. Oh my, holy, what? I did not know that. When was this added? I'm so, what? Random Godot. When was this added? This had to be added in Godot for October 2021. Okay, that was before I started using Godot. So when was this implemented? 2020. Oh, implemented by 2022. Okay, so this was before I started using Godot. But oh my gosh, that is amazing. Wow. So I could literally replace this with. Oh, I could literally do dot pick random here. Okay, thank you so much. Wow, thank you so much, Match. Would it be Match OC or Matt Hawk? Okay, but you know I'm talking to you. But okay, Match Hawk, thank you. So, oh, I'd have to do this then. Okay, yep, cool. Okay, so subsetted dictionary get filtered exercise. So let's say I'm doing filtered exercises, then I would just have to do. I just have to do this. So this should be only chest workouts right now. Only chest workout. Diamond push-up. Yep. Diamond push-up. Yep. Diamond push-up. Yes. Okay. Diamond push-up again. Standard push-up. Standard push-up. Diamond push-up. Okay, cool. So if I want to do multiple filters, that is possible too, based on the way I coded it. Okay, chest. If I just go here. So if I want to do a chest tricep exercise. Triceps. How many other times do I say triceps here? Oh, a few times. Okay, so I should get 5 different exercises. Standard push-up, yep. Standard push-up, yep. Dumbbell shoulder press. Dumbbell shoulder press does not work on... Excuse me? Dumbbell shoulder press is triceps? No, it's not. Is it? Yeah, there's... Oh, I guess when you bring it down. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Wow. You can tell I don't use weights when I work out. But standard push-up is 100% chest. And... I guess it's also triceps. Okay, so let's do something crazier, which is... Oh, I'm not even using lower body.json right now. Or am I? Maybe? Workout test. Oh, I have to implement getting it from all my files. Okay. Var files to use, because I do want to split it up. Okay, you're not going to just autocomplete that. Okay, thanks a lot. Let's see. Assets. Oh, okay. Boop. And then boop, like this. And then what I want to do is files to use. So for file in files to use, I want to do, what do I want to do? The append. Error? No. Yeah, okay. No. That would mess up everything, wouldn't it? So I'd have to do, wait, parse string? Okay, I actually don't know what parse string returns to me. If it returns an array, I can't just append the array because that would be weird. So I'd have to append array error. I believe this should work. So this would work because I know that I would combine quads with, okay, wait, is there lunge forward? Forward lunge. Lunge. Okay, there's forward lunge there, reverse lunge there, but single leg glute bridge. Okay, pistol squat for sure is not in the other one. Oh, it is. Okay, assisted. Pistol squat assisted. So quads and glutes. Okay, quads and glutes. Okay, so to know this is working, I have to do quads only. Quads and glutes. Let's do quads and glutes. Okay. Glutes. Okay. So based off this, it should only ever give me air squat. So pistol squat assisted, and then eventually air squat, reverse lunge, air squat. Oh my gosh, is it not going to? Maybe it's not working. It should work theoretically. Subsetted. Okay, so when you're done looping over everything, why don't you give me back subset, or hold this for s in subset, print s dot name for me. Oh, okay, so it seems to, oh, oops. No. What the hell? Yes, okay. Okay, so it prints out each of those. Oh, if it has either one of the muscle arrays, it gets added twice. But I don't see pistol squat without assists here, which is a bit concerning to me. Oh, because, oops. Wow. Wow, I did not even realize this. Okay, amazing. I didn't even realize I was not using that file. Okay, cool. Okay, pistol squat's being used. Okay, so now I can use multiple files, which is actually pretty cool. Okay, now what do I do about the fact that it's adding it twice? That actually makes sense though. Why would you not want to add it twice? Like if you're working out quads and glutes, and then you toss in triceps, you'd want to have triceps. You'd want to have push up once and then quads and glutes multiple times. Even though that sounds like a bug, I think I'm going to keep it. Air squat, reverse lunge, forward lunge. Oh my gosh. This is actually really exciting to me because I've had a very hard time just choosing exercises apart from dips and push-ups, and that's about it. That's all I really do. I know that's horrible. I guess I do pull-ups sometimes, but having a way to pick other, having a way to pick other exercises is pretty interesting to me. So pistol squat, assisted, reverse lunge. Okay, cool. Now I guess I just have to generate more, I have to generate more exercises for sure, but I'm glad this is working. And what do I want to do now? I want to, well, I guess I would have to actually make the app interface, which is, okay, let's get rid of this. I don't like that. Card manager. Oh yeah, I have to say end exercise or end run. Oh yeah, I said I was going to do the mouse thingy. So, okay, so first let's do if you're pressing within a certain range. So if follow mouse. Okay, so if mouse is within. Wait, no, that doesn't work. If event.is action pressed. I guess I would want to have it such that var dist is equal to global position dot distance squared to get underscore global mouse position. Print this for me, would you? And then, okay, 101. Oops. Okay, stop printing that. Stop printing this. So, okay, that. Okay, the corner over here is like 70. Oh no, so 150K. So, okay, this that is too far. Okay, this that triggers click is going to be 160K. Okay, so if this is less than this that triggers click, then you can start following. Otherwise, don't. Which makes sense to me. Oh, hello. Oh, that's really interesting. Because it's still close enough that it works. If that makes sense. It's still close enough that it works, but over here it wouldn't. So here it makes sense to work. Like you should just be able to click in a sense and it works. Oh, it doesn't let you click past the corner. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, that's fine. If you click right here, it goes. But if you click here, it doesn't, or it goes sometimes. Okay, whatever, that works. At least it doesn't work up here, which is exactly what I wanted. I don't want it to work up there. Let's see. Shrimp squat. I don't even know what a shrimp squat is. What is a shrimp squat? Shrimp squat. What is a shrimp squat? Oh, okay. So it's like a lunge, but a stand-in-place lunge, in a sense, almost. Okay, let's see. I'm glad I fixed the mouse thingy, so I'll write that down. Mouse issue. Now I actually want to make the UIs that people can select which workouts that they can do. I wanted it to be based off cards. So like you would have a card in a sense, and you can not buy cards, but you would be able to choose, you know, I want to do push-ups today, or let's say you want to do chest or triceps, you can do that. Or if you want to do just general, oh, okay, let me restart. You could either pick between chest workouts in total, or you could do just push-ups, just dips, what have you. So to do that, I would also have to add a filter for names. But that comes later. But right now, I think the best thing would be to add a end screen. Okay, so to add an end screen, card manager, would I want to do it in the same node? I guess not. So end manager, or I guess run manager, I guess. Run manager. So you can like pause. No, I don't want people to pause. I guess it would still be part of card manager, to be honest. This is this is linking very closely to all my web dev work, where I just toss everything into one node and then call the game screen, or like that landing page, that one, I call that main node, the node that people actually see. And then there's one node below that, and then that one node holds everything. That's not really how Godot is supposed to be used, but honestly, it works for me. Okay, top UI, card start pause. Why did I see something move? Oh, okay. And then card start pause, and then control down here. Oh, it's gonna wait. It goes below. Oh, no, okay. So because okay, this UI is at a different z index, so I've changed that here too. Okay. To be honest, do I want to copy it? Yeah, I do want to copy it. Oh my gosh, do not copy it into the node. Hello? Okay. Bottom UI. So, bottom UI. This is probably the worst way to use control nodes, but I don't really care because I'm just trying to prototype as fast as possible. Okay, VBox container, yes, I guess. Total time, okay. I don't actually know what I'll use this right VBox for, but I know for this one, I want to have a button that says finished. Hello? Oh, okay, this has to expand, I believe. Maybe? Yes, okay. Okay, yeah, this expands to the center. And then the button can center itself. Layout. Container sizing, shrink center, no. Fill horizontally. And then fill, oh god. Finish run. Whoa, this sounds good. It's Windfall by the Fat Rat. Oh. Did I mess up the music volume? No, I think it's fine. Okay, cool. If it's too loud, let me know. Okay, finish run. Finish run. Ooh, that's large. Bottom UI. Man, this is making me want to work out. Can I just, oh, okay, I can. And z-index for this one is, no, it would be ordering. Okay, z-index 5, it's not relative. Cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Let's see. Okay. Makes sense. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Swiping in all that, and then finish run would go here. Okay, so what would finish run actually look like? Well, finish run would need to have, oh, no, flex go away. Oh wow, it doesn't show up. Okay, whatever. Flex is just a screen brightness thing that I use. I feel like a lot of people use it. Down here. Although I don't know if you could see it. Oh, you can. Okay, interesting. Okay. Okay, cool. And now we're going to do finish run. Okay, so I'm so sorry. I got a bit distracted. Okay, finish run. So what do I want to do? What do I want to do? I want to make a screen that actually says your run went, your run, or I guess workout went like this, yada, yada, yada. So finish screen. It would be a VBox. In my VBox, it would just be set to current ratio. A color rect. No, it would be color rect up here. There's no way on and on is no copyright sounds. Okay, interesting. Damn, I listen to this all my free time. Okay. Finish screen. Oops. Finish screen. So yeah. Okay, cool. Oop. Green screen. Finish screen. Oh, I'd have to save everything into a variable. That's fine. I can do that. I can do that. Okay. You're done. Center. Okay, VBox. Yeah, VBox is full. Can't you also? What the hell? We'll go. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Ish. The hell? I want it to be in the center. Okay, whatever. I'm not that interested in being in the center. You're done. You did. I don't know. You did 6 cards. I don't know. Ooh, do I want it to be a variable? Card count. Total reps. Oh my gosh, that would get really complicated. But I don't care right now because I want to be able to use this in the next few hours. So card count, I'd have to do hbox. Card count. Oh, I just have to expand. There's no freaking way. Oh, okay. Got it. Yay. Okay. Cool. I'll expand it and I'll make it bigger in just 1 second. The font sizes 64. You're done. Ooh. There's no way you're going to be this big. Okay. The max someone would be able to do is that many cards for exercises, so there's no point in playing around with that sizing. Okay, and then there would have to be a button at the end. It's like try again or go home. So just copy paste and try again or go home. Try again. Hello. Okay, try again, or what do you want to do? Try again or go home. Okay, so I guess try again should be on the right because it's closer to your thumb. Okay, go home. GP home? Nope, go home. Okay, so if this makes sense. Let me just expand. Cool. Okay. Okay. So game or exercise app running. Do a pistol squat. Okay, I did it. 5 of them, even though I can't yet. I can do 11 lunges. That's possible. Pistol squat. Okay, I failed it. Boom. Oh, I have a heart system. Heart system. Yes, that's what I was envisioning last night. I was like, oh, this app should have a heart system. Okay, let's see. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, so I guess I should also count total reps and whatnot. Glute bridge, reverse lunge. Okay, so air squat. Okay, so when you finish run, it should ask you, do you want to finish run? And then, okay, finish screen. Let's connect up some signals. Okay, go home, which we don't have yet, and then try again. Oh, I guess try again should take you to the screen with, it would have to take you to a screen where you get to decide everything. So try again, connect, no, pressed, press, not connect, button, press. Too bad I'm not like a bodybuilding streaming guy like Sam Sulek or what have you, but I would then use my app like a channel if I was streaming that to, working out with my app, whatever. Okay, what did I want to do? Oh yeah, I have to go to, oh my god, I haven't done this in a while. Change scene? No, it's get tree.change scene to packed. Oh, I don't know the difference. Why would it not be file? Okay, so then it would be, this would be the exercise setup screen. Exercise setup screen. And then what do I want? I'd want some. Hello? Oh, I thought someone was there. Give me 1 sec. Okay, so the idea that I want to cover now is, oh yeah, I need to have some sort of radio button set up. Okay. Buttons, check buttons. Oh, check buttons make sense. Do they? Yeah, they do make sense. Like, what do you want to work out? Okay, so, oh my god, this is going to be a lot of connecting of signals. VBox. And then there's a HBox. And then there's a label. And then there's a check button. Oh, check button goes to HBox. Okay, cool. And then what do I want? I want to say, goddamn, what do I want to say? I want to say, come on, spit it out. What do I want to say? I want to say, oh my god, what do I want to say? Oh yes, I want to say, like muscle group. And this would be, I'll just name it muscle group, muscle group container. And then this is just the muscle group text. Now, idealistically, I would have wanted this to be dynamically populated so that, based on what people have actually like unlocked in the app, so to speak. But I guess if I'm just making the app just to test out and understand what people do or do not want, then I would need to make it so that it's, what do you call it? I need to make it so that people just have access to everything, more or less. Like a dev playtesting app. And I can easily publish this to the Play Store today, even if I really wanted to. Okay, cool. Little preamble out of the way. Okay. I do want to control the size of this, which will be controlled via a control node. So expand, set the current ratio. Excuse me. Oh. Anchor preset. What? I have never experienced this before. Hello? What? If I do that, what's the difference? What does this button do? When active, moving control nodes changes their anchor instead of their offsets. Didn't seem to move the anchors. Okay, whatever. Does not matter to me. Okay, yeah. You get set to this. What? Oh. So yeah, I can jostle you around. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm like figuring out control nodes for the trillionth time. Okay. Transform, container sizing, expand. Where's minimum size? Hello? Size? Oh. 720. Because I believe this app is 720 pixels. Yep, cool. And then box label. No, I don't like the song. Wait for me, Giraffe Squad. Okay, cool. Okie dokie. Let's see, label. What do I want this label to say? I want to say, oh yeah, pick exercise, pick target areas. Wow, this is the fastest I've ever built an app in my life. And I'm going slow because I'm trying to watch my stream count in the chat, which isn't that active, but I don't want to miss anything. Also groups, center. Oops, okay, muscle groups. Oh wait, I guess I should dynamically populate it too by, oh my gosh, this is gonna be crazy. Ready? Okay, so muscle group, I want to say branch the scene. Source, exercise setup screen. This is going to be muscle group container. Muscle container. I don't know if this is a detour into hell or an actual worthy detour, but okay. So this is going to be the muscle group. This is going to be the muscle group what? Muscle group holder? Or I guess muscle group picker. So muscle group picker. Oh, group picker. Okay, so for function already. For what is it? For group in exercise grabber dot get. Oh my gosh, I'd have to wait now. Get, I don't know, array of muscle groups. So this would have to be a button. What would it be? All exercises. Now I'm scared that it's going to run before I allow it to, but hello, new viewer joined. The idea we're trying to work on today is a bodybuilding app in Godot, so you can like swipe between your cards and exercises. Okay, so right now I'm trying to make it so that you can grab all the muscle groups that you could possibly work on. So get, what was it called? No, it was called get array of muscle groups. Get array of muscle groups. So what would get array of muscle groups look like? It would be, hello, it would be, oh yeah, I'd have to return an array. So var a for array. And I'd have to go through all my, oh, so for exercise size in all exercises. If, okay, so let's just append it no matter what. A dot append. Also for group. Oh my gosh, Tobu. I remember this from when I was like 12. The song's name is Roots. I remember this artist. Iron movement outside. Okay, whatever. For group in exercise dot muscle groups, and I can double check my array or my objects like this, like so. Oops. Muscle groups. A.append group. So at the moment it's returning A, but I also want to print A and make sure that it's not giving me gibberish. Oh wait, what? For group and exercise append group. I actually don't know if that's the thing I'm looking for, but stop printing these. Okay. Stop printing this, stop printing this, stop printing this. Oh, it's because I'm not even running that scene. I was like, this scene ain't doing what I asked it to. Okay. Yeah, no kidding, I wasn't doing. Okay, so. Okay, so right now here I just got all the exercises, but adding no matter what. And now I have to do if A has group, if A does not have group. If A does not have group, then A.append. What the hell? Excuse me. If A has group, I don't think that's that hard to understand. Hello? Oh, I'm not running that scene. Oh, okay, cool. Abs, obliques. Oh my god, this is crazy. I don't know if y'all, I'm talking to like the 3 viewers, but I don't know what y'all's take is on generative AI, but I use ChatGPT to like make the JSONs, and I actually don't like, I don't know them, like I haven't memorized the JSON, so I don't know every single exercise. I just asked for like a few in a JSON-y format, and it gave them to me, right? And oh my god, I could also add in difficulties, but the idea here is like, I didn't select these, but it's so cool to see that I can like grab them, and then after I've got array of all the muscle groups for a group and get array of muscle group, then I would have to spawn in a muscle group holder. Oh my gosh. Oh, muscle group container, I guess. Our muscle group container is a preloaded muscle group container scene. Instantiate. And what am I gonna do? I'm gonna add child, I guess. Add child. Muscle group container. And if I stop running that scene, but I run this scene. Oh my gosh. Exactly what I wanted. Okay. Perfect. But it's really small. Muscle group container. I wish you could do like a split screen system in Godot, but whatever. Justify only after the last word. Trim nothing, damn. Font sizes, I don't know, 64? Nope, that's too much. 48. Can I increase the size of this too? Expand. Localization layout, 720, transform container sizing. Size, 720. How do I make this bigger? Like the actual thing, I want to make it bigger. Theme overrides, font sizes, colors, constants. Nope. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of colors. Holy. Can't be font sizes, can it? Okay. I was gonna say. Okay, but if I run this scene. Oh, okay, cool, perfect. And if I run this scene, oh my god. Oh, hello? Why aren't you like, yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13. Core and abs are the same thing, aren't they? Core and abs are the same thing. I don't like how it says that. Shrimp squat, that's abs, buddy. I feel like more exercises will say abs. Abs. Oh my god, they're core and abs. It's just abs, buddy. Okay. Oops, wrong scene again. Oh my god. Perfect. But where did my thingamajigger go? Oh. Small. Okay, control. Oops. Nope, nope, nope. Cool. Okay. Nope. Okay, cool. So now I just have to set the names. So how do I do that? Once it's added, I can do mgc.setName to group, and then make a function for mgc. Muscle group text equals muscle group name. Group name, muscle group name. Okay, sorry, that just started there. Muscle group name. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Okay, oh my god, wrong scene again. Okay, oh, perfect. Like if I only want to work out shoulders, calves, chest, hamstring. Okay, so this is like a usable state for me, like when I go, like right now, if I wanted to. What the hell is traversi abdominis? What the hell? That is not something someone works out. Or at least I don't go out of my way to work that. Transverse abdominis. Hello? No, plank standard does not. Plank standard, it's just core. Plank standard is just core. I swear to God, if I run that stupid scene. Okay. Let me get rid of this one. Yep. Okay, cool. Oh my god, then I have to append. So func underscore ready is part of filter, I guess. Is part of filter, so is part of filter dot checked. No, clicked. Nope. What's your signal? Oh, pressed. Oh, just toggle, I guess. Toggled. Or connect is going to be add or remove from main filter. Fitler. Oh, filter, not that mustache thing. Oh my god, that scared me. I need a moment.
Hello, your phone number will be deactivated today. For details, English press.
Nope, that was a scam. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Also my ringtone. Oh my gosh, always scares me. Okay. Var muscle group name. Okay, making this function. Oh my god, I should put my food in the. Oh my god. String name is going to be string. So add or move from main filter is going to be. What is it going to be? Add or removing from a filter would be similar to. What the hell? Oh yeah, okay. Oh, it's not string. I'm starting to get tired. Oh my gosh, how do people stream for like 4 or 5 hours a day? This is crazy. Maybe it's because I'm standing. Standing would definitely add to fatigue. Oh, is to be added. I guess, bool is to be added. And then if it's to be added, then what I'm going to say is exercise muscle group filter. Muscle group filter dot append, I guess, is to be added. Append muscle group name. Else, oh my gosh, this is where having Copilot helps a lot. It's always the stupid filter ones that I always mess up. Oh, muscle group filter has to be from exercise grabber actually. Append, okay. Dot filter. No. Dot remove, I guess. Oh no. End of thing I want. Dot find. And find should return an index. Yeah, find what returns the index of the first occurrence of what in this array, or of what in this array. Oh, okay, wow, that is some crazy documentation right there. The search can start as specified from. Makes sense. Oh, you may also use the in operator. Wow, okay. This kind of assumes that it's in it, which is a bit risky. Oh yeah, so if subsetted, if not subsetted, then return get random exercise. Hello? If subsetted is equal to a freaking blank array, then just return. Oh, I said get, not grab. Alright. Again, wrong screen. Hello? Oh my god, I deleted it. No way. Okay. Pick target areas. Has to be bigger. Wrong screen again. Whew. Okay, quads, glutes, blah blah blah. Oh, I should probably print every time it changes. Wrong scene. Oh, what? Excuse me? Oh, I'm not using, oh. Gonna put underscore there. Oh, bet, okay. Select all button would be nice, but at the moment, if I wanted to do chest, triceps, shoulders, there's no button to send me somewhere. Oh my god. And then I guess I would have to have a button that's like start exercises, I guess. And this would have to add child. Oh my god, add child. No, there's no add child add. Button start workout. Override fonts. What size is 64? This would have to be a scroll container, I'm not gonna lie. Go container, expand. And then you're gonna add child actually to VBox container, that's sculpt container. Please work on the first try. Oh my god. Yeah, it worked, okay. Nice. Not as long as I thought it would be, but whatever. I don't mind this. I'm still gonna work on it, like off stream or off camera, I guess, but I like the direction it's shaped, it's gone into. Oh my god, I'm getting tired. Just a tiny bit. I'm so not used to this. Oh my god. I don't know if that's apparent or not. Let's see. Content. Analytics. I'm still here. Engagement, reach. Interesting. Interesting. Wow, I think it actually just hit the 2 hour. Yeah, it's about to hit the 2 hour mark, and I'm slowly getting to the point where it's like, oh man, I need a little bit of a break. Let's see. Okay, I'll add the start workout button and I'll call it quits. Start workout button. I don't know if anyone will ever watch this area of the live stream, but I just want to say that I always thought live streaming, people always did live streaming to like, for the, oh my god, no. What a banger to end the stream on almost, but I always thought people did live streaming because they liked attention or they wanted money and whatnot, but people live stream just to like share. That's about it. I mean, I was never big into live streams, or I never like really live stream myself until now. But just that people want to share. It's like a natural tendency almost. Okay. This is this. When you want to start a workout, get tree, change scene, to file, and it would be game screen. Game screen, not instantiating. And, oh. Nope. 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 So, do this, pistol squat, reverse lunge, double calf, pistol squat, ooh. Oh, why are you just doing that? Okay, whatever. But if I do triceps and shoulders only. Plank, okay, cool. I'm gonna grab my phone real quick so I can export this to Android. I'll be right back in 1 second. Where'd my phone go? Oh. Okay, I have my Pixel 7a here. The hell is that? Oh. My Pixel 7a here. I'm gonna connect it to my computer. Ooh, I don't have a data transfer cable around, but whatever. BRB one more time. Add to queue. Where the hell did I put it? I literally had one. I was even making fun of the fact that I had one. I was like, oh, I don't need it. Okay, found a cable. I don't know if it's a data transfer cable per se, but whatever. Ooh. Okay. Gonna plug it in. Plug in. Right. Now. I'm scared it's gonna show a number. Hello? Oh. Don't you like ask, what do you want to do? No? Don't want to ask me that? Okay. I swear to God, it was once you connected your phone, it would ask you. Okay, I guess I'm not doing an Android export before I leave, but I'll figure it out. Oh. I'm sorry if that hurt your eardrums. Okay, you know what? I guess that's almost the end. But the idea here is what we accomplished today was we could pick target areas for working out. And we could pick, you know, I want to do this one, I want to do this one, etc., etc. We can start workout, and we could do them. So it was to ask us 14 reps. 14 reps would go by, you know, 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. 12, 13, 14. You do the 14 reps, boom. Forward lunge, do 14. You do 14, boom. Pistol squat, you fail to do 5. Fail. Air squat, you fail to do them. And then hopefully there would be hearts or whatever, but even just infinite mode like this. Finish run. Oops, finish run does not have something. But, oh yeah, oh my gosh. I could set it up to go back to exercise setup screen. And now, general cards, card manager, finish run. When finish run is pressed, finish run, okay. Finish, run, connect. Oh, pressed. Oops. Press, connect. Okay, last stretch, almost done. Going to stop streaming soon, but get tree. Dot change scene to file, and then you would change it to the end screen or finish screen. Oh my gosh. Okay, we did it. So forward lunge, boom. Okay, card count, blah, blah, blah. Try again. Oh my gosh. Finish screen. Oh, exercise setup screen. What did I set it to? Whoa. Calm down there, bucko. But now I have a fully functioning app in the span of the stream. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're done. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for tuning in. There was like 4, 5, 6 people all throughout uniquely, but there was like 2 or 3, at least like 2, 3 people who were here continuously. They're definitely not here now, but 3 people are here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna keep on like playing around with this just until the end, and I'll stop the stream as soon as the music ends because this is an absolute banger from the 2010s. Yeah, I'm actually really happy I made this. Like, holy shit. I genuinely wanted this app, and there was a guy who came in and was like, oh, this is so useless. No, absolutely not. This is amazing. Diamond push-up, standard plank, 32 seconds, rep, standard push-up. Like, oh my god, this is revolutionary for me at least. I don't care if no one uses this. I want to use this. Oh my god. Okay, well, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm actually a little bit tired after all that. That was insane. I can't believe I built this in like 2 hours. That is crazy. I don't know if my stuff recorded and picked up everything, but you know, thank you so much for tuning in. We built this all, and I'm actually going to use this. Like, I'm genuinely going to go grab my Android phone and put this on ASAP. Thank you so much. I'm just waiting for the song to end. I'm just waiting for this absolute banger to end. Thank you so much. See ya.